Looking to make money online but tired of the same old advice? Today we're exploring a platform that lets you buy virtual land that's connected to real world property that's going to allow you to earn passive income. Sounds kind of intriguing, right? Well, that's why today we're exploring Atlas Earth. Let's break it down. Getting started with Atlas Earth is extremely simple. With the link down below, you'll get an extra 200 Atlas bucks after you get your 11th piece of land or your 11th parcel. After getting everything all set up, you're going to be brought to Atlas Earth, which is going to look a lot like this, just without all the filled out grass parts. So how it works, simply buy different pieces of land and they indefinitely will pay you out a certain percentage. Now there's 4 different rarities and they have different payouts associated with them. So there's the common, the rare, the epic, and the legendary. You can see the payouts here, and I will put the yearly payout associated with it, so off the bat, roughly how much you're looking at making and what these are actually worth. Once you acquire your different properties, you're able to boost your income. To boost it, as you can see, I have a 10 times booster here. You have to watch an ad and you will receive bonus for 1 hour. And now that that's over, you can see that I have a booster for 4 hours and 26 minutes here. You can have it up to 6 hours maxed out at a time. It's pretty tough to see here, so I'll just pop a picture up on the screen real quick, but it actually varies on the amount of properties that you have. And with a boost, you're gonna get all the way up to 10,000 parcels. Now I do believe they do this just simply because how much they get paid per ads and the amount they're able to pay out based off of that. Or if you had 10,000 properties and you got a 30% boost, it wouldn't work, they wouldn't be profitable, and the whole company, the whole organization would just collapse on itself. They also show the virtual rent that you're going to accrue without the ads per month, with the ads per month, with the ads per year, and with their super boost per year, which is what they run about once a week, where the boost, no matter how many properties you have, it's going to go up to 50x, or also known as 5,000%. I always stick to those charts as a guideline, and I highly suggest you doing the same if considering investing, to know how much you're going to put in, how much effort is going to be needed to get your outcome by when. Now Atlas also offers a couple different ways of earning passively for free. One is they have a daily login bonus where every day you log in, it's going to go up a little bit more. As you can see, day 7, you're going to get 8 there. Day 30, we're going to get 50. Day 60, you're going to get 80. If you make it all the way to the bottom, you will get 200. Now, on the other side, you'll see where it says join the Explorer Club. That is accessible if you would like to pay $50 a month on their website. And you also will need 5 badges, and you're able to acquire badges by going to different towns, different provinces or states, and different countries. The badges cost 200 Atlas bucks, and they will give you an indefinite boost on your indefinite passive income. And then, like I said, once you acquire those 5, you can go on the website and you can sign up for the Explorer Club if you so desire. They also offer a monthly reward ladder, as you can see here. You're able to get this chunk with next to no effort. Pretty much you just have to sign on and use the app daily for about a minute. And here are all the different ways you can actively earn per month and the ones that have been completed by myself. If you're looking to purchase any badges or any of the Atlas bucks, you simply come down to the store here, and you can see here are the prices for 100, 300, 900, and 2,400 bucks, and also the badges across the top here. Now, every hour, you're also able to watch an ad for 1 free Atlas buck. My favorite way of earning with the app is the Atlas Arcade. And why it's my favorite is because a lot of these games, or well, all of these games that you see here pay out per minute, and usually they have a ×2 boost event, which I definitely take advantage of. And the longer you leave the game running on your phone, you just have to literally leave the app open. You can leave it open on the home screen. You don't have to play it at all. The more you will earn, which you can then translate into real money. Atlas also offers a survey program where you're able to do surveys, and upon completion you're going to get this set amount paid out to your account. They also offer Atlas Travel, where if you're able to book your vacation or wherever you're traveling to through Atlas, they are going to also give you additional payout for that. Now, Atlas is only available on your phone, but you can select a way to earn Atlas bucks off of paying at select stores. Now, this isn't offered on the app, it's only offered on their website, so I'll cover this feature in a minute for you guys. The other active earning ways that Atlas offers for you is the Diamond Hunt spin wheel. So you get 5 attempts at these per day. You get 3 where you can just spin away. 1, okay, 2, all right, 3, and then you'll get 2 more options after that. If you so choose to, you just have to watch an ad for it. So I like to just let it go, make some food. All right, we got some nuggets cooking. Now we're good. Now, quite often you do get all the different rewards. Sometimes it seems like you get 2 Atlas bucks and 3 diamonds. Sometimes it seems like you get 90 and a couple spins, which those ones feel nice. Now, they do also have their in-app games that run about every 2 days that have a prize payout pool that you pay 2 Atlas bucks per play. Pretty much every time you get paid out quite a bit more than you put in, unless you really suck. And when you do lose, they give you an option to watch an ad that will allow you to get from 1 to 3 Atlas bucks, where if you get the 3, then you come out of the game plus 1. You get the 1, then you're -1. But all in all, it's really not that bad. The game only plays for 1 hour at a time every 2 days. And also, if you have any friends or family that would be interested, you can also invite them and you will get rewarded for that, and they will get rewarded as well. Now, if you are curious, the plots of land are sellable for whatever amount you would like, except for it can't be like 1 or 2 Atlas bucks. It has to be a minimum of at least 90, and Atlas Earth is going to take a 20% of that fee. Now, the final earning method that I actually got fortunate enough to be a part of for a bit that has been taken away from me is the mayor of your city. So in your city, if you own the most property, you're going to receive payouts every time someone purchased your city's badge. Now, I was on this app right as it came out in March, so you could see I was the mayor for a little bit here for about 3 months as the app was rolling out in my location, and we were able to get a couple extra points from that. Now, there is also the premier, as you can see here, and the prime minister. So the prime minister is going to receive Atlas bucks from every badge purchased in the whole country, and the premier is obviously going to be per province or state. Now, what are you going to do with your money when you actually accrue it? Well, you have 2 options, soon to be 4, which is going to be cool. Number 1, you can purchase actual Atlas bucks. So you can see with the $15 here, I could purchase 375. Now, if you are going to go that route with it, wait, because they have promotions that go on sometimes that it's going to offer you an extra 33%. So I would not even consider purchasing them unless the promotion is on. The second is you can redeem it for real life. the point. Now you have to accrue $5 worth, which is not that difficult. You just have to let the app run for a little while. Actively participating definitely helps. So if I go for the $5 limit here, as you can see, right now you're only able to redeem it for cash. Soon there will be a crypto option and a stock option, which I'm not too sure how they're going to roll out the stock one. That is quite interesting. I'm very interested to see what they do with that. But if you go for the get cash, it's going to confirm and you redeem it, and then you're good. Coming soon, Atlas Earth is going to be offering landmark locations. So landmark locations are going to be posted that everybody can bid on, and they're going to be just like every other property where you are going to receive continuous passive income over time. And the final thing I'd like to highlight is Atlas's Earth feature. As you can see around me, there's a whole bunch of these little diamonds, and that is actually going to be how you get the diamonds for the spinner wheel. So as we have one more ad, and I have 39 diamonds, all you have to do is get the diamond within your radius, as you can see mine here, and tap on it. Then you're going to pick it up and off you go. I'll be right back. I'm going to flip those nuggets. Right, and we're back and we're good. 2 more in the bank, and as you can see, we are maxed out for the next 12 hours. Oh, by the way, for anyone that didn't believe me about the nuggets, thought I was just doing a skit or just joking, we don't play when it comes to money and nuggets. Anyways, onto the website. Here we have Atlas Earth, the digital layer of the real world. They obviously highlight their basics over here. The more you travel, the better it gets. You can become a VIP. One thing to highlight that I thought was a little interesting, own and earn, of course. Right at the bottom, it says that rent is not guaranteed, and the amount given back to players may be modified at any time without notice. Now, I don't believe they're ever going to leverage this or get to a point where they're going to have to use it. But I just wanted to put it out there because why'd they do that? Anyways, pretty cool. You're able to see their team. You're the CEO, co-founder, everybody underneath them. It is actually a pretty big team that they are supporting. So you can be sure that they're going to keep pushing to keep this alive. But the main reason I wanted to come over here is so we can log in and see our account. This feature is very basic. It's just going to show you your basic information, the parcels that you own, the rent that you've accrued. You're also able to do the book, travel, and survey section in here. The thing I wanted to show you guys is in the buy buck section is where you're going to actually find the Atlas Explorer Club. And this is going to give you access to that bonus on the daily reward ladder, as well as if you would like to earn a premium on the season pass, you can do that for 1 month, or they're also offering a reoccurring pass. And you can also obviously come here to just buy the Atlas bucks, up to $100,000 worth if you want. Now, they do also offer a map section, as you can see us here, but you're not able to buy or sell anything with this map section. It's essentially just Google Maps with the leaderboard. All right, let's talk about the upsides and the downsides real quick. The upsides and what makes it worth trying is there's a very low entry point. You can actually start for free. You can invest as little as a couple dollars. It is genuinely continuous passive income. You don't have to check in. It just will continue occurring and your account will continue to grow. It has a global reach, so anywhere you go, you can buy land there, which is pretty neat. There really is no maintenance involved. There's no tenants, no upkeep. There is just earning. I will say that there is the maintenance aspect that if you would like to boost your earnings, that you have to let a couple ads play on your phone a day. It's also fun and engaging, gives you a bunch of different fun and engaging ways to earn, but it's not all sunshine and rainbows. The downsides would be that it doesn't have the biggest earnings, it has small earnings. Rent really is minimal unless you really do scale it up. it does kind of have a pay to win feel. It doesn't feel like you make much progress in this app unless you make a little payment, which will jump your lump sum up and your passive earnings up quite quick. It does have the minimum withdrawal feature, so you do have to accrue that first $5 before you can even withdraw anything. If you do, you're going to have to accrue another $5 before you could withdraw the next time. And limited investment growth. If you're looking to actually invest lump sums of money, I would much more suggest going to the stock market, starting a mutual fund. This does have investment potential, but it's more a fun way of earning than a financially impactful investment, like buying a real piece of property. So how does it stack up against something like Upland? Atlas Earth is really beginner friendly. It doesn't have many complex aspects to it. It's straightforward with real-time consistent earnings that aren't going to cap off on you unless you check in to keep it going. Where Upland's a little bit more complex. It's a blockchain based game with a lot more moving parts and NFTs, which could offer potentially a bigger reward, but it is a little bit more complex of a process. And my final verdict is Atlas Earth worth it? Is it worth your time? Is it worth your money? If you're looking for a low risk, fun way to dip your toes into virtual real estate and passive income, I would say it's a good way to go. Definitely do not go putting huge lump sums of money into Atlas Earth and expecting a return anytime soon. It's going to take a little while to pay out, especially if you do not want to watch any of the ads. So just don't expect it to replace your 9 to 5 anytime soon, but definitely expect it to increase your portfolio by adding another source of passive income that you can start completely free. Set it and forget it. Are you ready to claim your virtual land? Well, click the link down in the description below, download Atlas Earth, and start building your empire. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, share this video with your friends, and let me know in the comments where you plan on purchasing your first virtual plot of land. Alright everybody, until next time, stay smart, stay curious, and keep acquiring assets.